me some algebraic example of algebraic expression. Yes, example of algebraic expression. Anybody? Any simple example? X square plus
2xy
2xy. Yes, आप बताओ.
5x
देखो, in algebra generally we use three types of variables: x, y and z. These are the variables, and 1 2 3 a b c we are taking as a constant number or real number and like that. So the combinations of x and numbers, say x plus 2, x square plus 2x, like that, these are called algebraic expression. Every algebraic expression is a polynomial. We will discuss polynomial, but polynomial is a special case of algebraic expression. After some times it will be clear to all of you what is the basic difference between these two. Every algebraic expression we can say is a polynomial, but every polynomial is not an algebraic expression. So now our problem is, what is polynomial? How we can define a polynomial? What is its definition? Before that, so polynomial is generally, it is again a kind of algebraic expression. In algebraic expression generally we can denote like that: a0 x raised to power n plus a1 x n minus 1 plus a2 x n minus 2, like that. Or for your level you can say, I choose value of n is say 3. The equation become 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This is your one kind of algebraic expression. Here I choose value of n is 2. If you put it here, value of n is 2, it becomes s is power 2. Then substitute n, 2 is here, we get 2 minus 1. समझो भाई, 2 minus 1, 1 2 की power x, पंखे को देख रहे हो ऊपर, and 2 minus 2 x is to power 0. Okay, x is to power 0 is 1, and a1 a2 a0 I assume it 3 2 and 1. So this is the again a algebraic expression, but here value of n is 2, it is positive. So what is the basic difference is here? In the case of polynomial, the power of x is always positive. This is the basic difference. Here if you say algebraic expression, the algebraic expression may be like that: 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. But this is not a polynomial. So note down definition of polynomial. So we can say the polynomial, लिख लो आप लोग, write down, the polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every polynomial is an algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Now we note down the definition of polynomial. A polynomial in X, a polynomial in X is a sum of, write down, is a sum of terms. These are the terms. This is called term 1, term 2, term 3, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Terms, comma, each of which is a real number, is a real number, or a product of or a product of a real number, a real number, product of a real number and a whole number, and a whole number as power of x. The value of n is a whole number. It's never be negative. Then we can say this algebraic expression is a polynomial. That's why I told you that every algebraic expression is not necessary it is a polynomial, but every polynomial is an algebraic expression. Now we discuss polynomial, different types of polynomial. Note down. Number 1, polynomial number 1, polynomial of one variable. Polynomial of one variable. So I told you at the initial stage we have generally three variables. What are? X, Y and Z. So if a polynomial consists only one variable, if a polynomial consists only one variable, if polynomial consists only one variable, then we can say polynomial of one variable. You can say any example using this I explained here. Tell me the any polynomial is considered only one variable, either x, either y or either z.
5 plus x.
उल्टा क्यों बोलते हो? पहले वेरिएबल
x square plus 5.
3x plus 2. Here x is a variable and here only one variable. So this 3x plus 2 is the example of polynomial. लिखो भाई polynomial of one variable. Now tell me, this is your polynomial of one variable, yes or no? 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is a polynomial. I already explained. This is not a polynomial, but this is a polynomial. अब मुझे बताओ कि it is a polynomial of one variable or two variable or three variable, or we can't say anything.
One variable.
Yes, Palak?
One variable.
One variable. I told you here कि if x, y, z three variable, all of you three either we take it only one, then it is one variable. We are not discussing at this time about the powers. It may be 5, it may be 6, it may be 7, it may be 8 and 9 and 10, etc. Okay? So this is again the another example of polynomial of one variable. Or any other example, tell me.
Sir, 4x plus
4x plus
3x.
तो 4x plus 3x तो 7x.
Sir, 4x x to the power 3.
4x square 3x plus 2 by 9. It is a polynomial of one variable.
Yes.
Okay. And here suppose 3 by 7. Then
Yes.
yes. But if it is 3 upon 7x, then it is not a polynomial. Okay. So this is polynomial of one variable. Polynomial of one variable. Now next, Write down the question लिखिए. Write down the coefficient of x square in the following polynomial. तो बताओ यहाँ पे कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर क्या है इन दिस इक्वेशन. 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1 इज ए पॉलिनोमियल. तो इसमें कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर 3. देखिए a0 x to power n. तो these are called the degrees, powers, and multiplier factor of x, that is called coefficient. So this a0 in this case is called coefficient of x to power n. a1 is coefficient of x to power n minus 1, and a2 is coefficient of x to power n minus 2.